Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering down and removing the battery pack and AA cells so nothing shorts. Once done, flip the controller and peel back the label over the left grip. You'll find a hidden torque screw. Remove it, then take out the 4 visible Phillips screws. Use a #0 Phillips and a plastic pry tool at the seam. Gently work around to release plastic clips. Take it slow so clips don't snap. This preserves the shell and makes reassembly cleaner. Once the shell halves separate, prop the front face up and identify the battery connector and any ribbon cables. You will disconnect the battery lead first to avoid accidental contact. Unscrew the small screws securing the circuit board, then gently lift the board to access triggers, bumpers, and thumbstick modules. Pay attention to button pegs and springs, photograph or sketch positions so you remember orientation. This prevents misaligned buttons and ensures tactile feeling returns after reassembly. To finish, reconnect ribbon cables and the battery lead, then seat the circuit board and reinstall screws just until snug. Over-tightening warps plastic. Place buttons and springs in their original positions, align the shell halves, and press until clips engage. Before replacing the hidden screw and label, plug in and test every button, trigger, and both sticks to confirm function. If something fails, reopen and check cable seating or clean contact points with 90% isopropyl. Retest.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.